topic is asexual reproduction in plants. Asexual reproduction in plants, also known as the vegetative reproduction. Because asexual reproduction in plants takes place by vegetative parts. Vegetative parts in plants are stem, leaves, root, buds. Except flower, all plant parts are known as a vegetative part of a plants. By using vegetative parts, the plants grow, and that type of a propagation known as a vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. Here there are two types or methods of vegetative reproduction: natural and artificial method. Natural method by vegetative reproduction, particular by using stem, root, leaves. Here you know that example potato. The potato consists of eyes, and eyes brought in favorable condition gives rise to new plant. Similarly, by root in sweet potato. Sweet potato also consists eyes, and eyes brought out in favorable condition. Then naturally by leaf, best example in Bryophyllum, the epiphyllous buds gives rise to the new plants in favorable condition. We have discussed this part already. An important part is artificial method of a vegetative propagation. Artificial method, it is used in horticulture and agriculture. Artificial, it is man-made method, and particularly by using stem, root, leaves, there are three different methods: cutting, grafting, plant tissue culture. In cutting, the small piece of a plant parts which having one or more bud is used. Here the different examples of cutting which are used artificially. Stem cutting examples: sweet potato. In sweet potato, many eye pieces are cut and grows many plants from the single potato. Also, mostly commercially used plants are the rose, apple, mango and other fruit plants. Here in root cutting, tamarind, blackberry, asparagus plants are used. Asparagus in Marathi Shatavari, blackberry in Marathi Karvand. Similarly, in leaf cutting, particular artificial method used for Sansevieria plant, Sansevieria plant, ornamental plant, and Bryophyllum in Marathi Panifuti. And second type of artificial method is grafting. Grafting is an technique in which the two plant parts are joined in such manner they grow as a single plant. Grafting particular consists of the parts of two plants, and they are joined and grow as a single plant. The plant part which is inserted on rooted stalk known as a scion, and the plant part which is rooted into the soil known as a stalk. Scion and stalk concepts are used in a grafting. Particular scion, it is also known as a graft. Scion is also known as a graft. Example of graftings are rose, other fruiting plants like mango, apple. Then third method of artificial vegetative propagation is plant tissue culture. In plant tissue culture, particular the plant tissues or plant organs are used and grown in a culture medium and to propagate many small plantlets within a short time. In plant tissue culture technique, particular method micropropagation also used, and artificial method of vegetative propagation is mostly used in horticulture and agriculture. Most gardeners are selected the artificial method of vegetative propagation because this method it is very cheap and faster method than sexual reproduction. Also, the characteristics of plants are similar to the parents, and particular grafting shows the better and desired characteristics of new plants. There are different advantages of the asexual reproduction in plants.